What's up, guys? It's your girl Nicole Taylor. So welcome back. Y'all already know what it is. Period. Now it's out. But it's like 10:30, probably almost 11 o'clock. This is vlog day 2, so day 1 should be up. So if you didn't see that, click off and go watch that video, then come back. I'm gonna put the link in the description. This is vlog day 2. We just came back from breakfast and we talked to our, little concierge person. We set up our activities and excursions for the trip. And I'm not even gonna say too much, but I got a lot of lit content coming. Like we got a lot of lit stuff to do. This week is gonna be really fun. We go tomorrow, we go Saturday, so stay tuned for vlogs 3 and 4, cause it's gonna be lit. So let me fix this camera. Alright, as I was saying, so we are about to go to the beach. If you can hear echo, my bad, because I'm in the bathroom, because they got good lighting in here. But we're about to go to the beach. We went yesterday, but it was dark, so we're going to go. The water is so pretty. Like, of course, I'm going to take videos and stuff. But we're about to go to the beach. And I don't know what we're doing later, but I'm going to be vlogging, so I'm not going to see. Yeah, the breakfast was good today. I'm going to put a clip in. Dinner last night, it just wasn't it. Like, yeah, we about to be out to the beach, so see y'all later. It's hard to see because it's real sunny and the lighting keeps changing, but we walking to the beach now. And I keep getting wet. You see the sprinklers? They keep spraying me. But we going to the beach now. But yeah, this is the resort. Our room is back there. She up there. So we going down towards the beach now, but you see the pool and stuff. How the pool is. The pool is mad nice. It's so nice. And I don't know. It's at the other side of the pool. It's so pretty.
It don't matter if you stop or not. Hey, right here at the pool. Even if you have a little bowl, who got period. It's lit, y'all. It's lit. And that's the vibe. Is this a thumbnail?
Not a fear, but I don't like this. Without touching my feet. And it's mad a bit in the water. Alright, y'all, I'm back. It's been a couple hours since I picked up this camera to vlog. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even remember where I left. Oh, we left off at the beach. After that, we just went straight to get something to eat for lunch. Then we came back to the room just to get a shower, get ready for whatever tonight. We're supposed to be doing an escape room. I see if we're still gonna do it, cause it's almost 5 and we're supposed to go at 5. So I don't know. But yeah, I came back and I took a nap or whatever, and then I got ready. So yeah, she out there on the balcony, patio, whatever you want to call it, like taking a video or pictures. I don't know. But yeah, we about to go do something. I'm hungry because I don't be eating a lot at lunch, or I didn't eat a lot at breakfast. I didn't eat a lot at lunch. The food is not bad, but I don't know. I just don't be. Main thing I be eating is the fruit, the pineapples. That's it. But let me give y'all a little outfit of the hour or whatever. I got this outfit from, I don't want to say the wrong store. I think I got this on Amazon. Like, let me tell y'all, Pooh, because people be sleeping on Amazon. I got mad nice stuff off Amazon for this trip and just for the summer in general. And their stuff is nice. It fit everything. So go on Amazon and stop spending, you know, extra money on like whatever name brand clothes. It's like the lobby or the entrance or whatever. But we just sitting here chilling. We waiting for the shuttle to come pick us up to take us to the escape room because I guess it's not on this resort. Well, so we're at the Rio Resort and there's like a bunch of them in one location. So you have the Rio wristband right here. You can go to any of them, you know, eat, drink, get food, you know, use the pools and stuff. It's all the same company. I hope y'all can hear me. So we waiting for the shuttle to come take us, and it's taking mad long. My eyelash hurt. Ooh, I'm breaking out. So, remember how I said like we at the resort, we was gonna go to the escape room. The shuttle stopped running, so we had to walk. I know it looked like I'm in the middle of nowhere, right? We had to walk. So we start walking and we see like the escape room, but it was closed. So we go to another hotel, like a Rio, and we ask them about it. And when I tell y'all, these people don't be knowing nothing. Like they do not be having no information, no help, no nothing. So he sends us a whole different way. Like look where we at. Y'all see an escape room or like? But we did find the water park. I wouldn't trust it, but now we just going back to our resort before it get dark and something come out the tree or the bush or something. So yeah, like he dead lied to us. Like, but we did find a little shop on the way. They had like a little chocolate shop, so I did pick up a chocolate bar for my aunt, and I picked up a shot glass for my coworker because she asked, and picked up like a bracelet for my sister. I know what to get her. Like to me, I know what to get you. So you're gonna get what you get. Period. And you're gonna be grateful. And I got my mother a mug because she drink coffee. Even though she don't use her mug, she uses the paper coffee cups. And then I got my boyfriend and my friend, our friend Sean. I got them lighters because if you know, you know. And yeah. The sidewalk, sis, the sidewalk. Girl, get on the sidewalk. Sis over here about to get hit by a car, like. But yeah, so we're just walking back now. And it's a long walk because we did go type far. I'm scared to walk close to these trees, y'all. Like. Now we walking back to our place. Because we subscribe to my channel, y'all. And I'm done, Taylor. Anyways, while we here, just to drop some knowledge on y'all, period. So, I know y'all Dominicans, some of y'all, I'm not, some of y'all be saying y'all not black, or like some of y'all don't be liking black people. But let me tell you, since I've been here, all I see is people that look like me. Like dark skin, you know, grade 4 hair. I don't see like none of the light skin, long curly hair. So to let y'all know y'all are black. Pooh, you're black. Oh guys, I look like poop. May God be with your face. But I forgot to end the vlog, so yeah, so we didn't do anything else. We went to dinner. Why are you like this? What? Dinner wasn't garbage tonight. It was actually hitting. It was dumb. And then yeah, we went and saw like this little Michael Jackson show. I'm gonna put a clip in. that's it for the vlog. See y'all tomorrow. We got some lit activities. You know, it's a lituation every time we link up. Who period. Wait, but yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. Shut up. Like, comment, and subscribe. And click that notification bell, like, ding, so you can get notified when I post. Oh, God, I don't be disturbed with her vlog like this.
Yo, yes,
So you can get notified whenever I post. And, yeah, that's it. Bye.